seem, oh yeah, it's normal right now. No, I'm doing the hacked version of Battle Cats. I'll show you. I did this for one reason. No, I'm not hypermaxing units. I've done that with a few units. I've gotten them to level 40. That's probably all high I'm going to get. With exclusives, it will be a level 60 thing, so I'll compare them all at level 6. Actually, no, I'll compare them all at level 30, but mine will always be at level 60, so if you want to remember that, then do. This is because I love to test units, and deleting and rejoining accounts isn't fun. So being able to just test them on the same exact account makes it a lot easier, which is why I'm going to start ranking units in order in their sets, because I'll have the chance to get all legendaries at the same time, which is great. Especially Lumina. I would love to rank all legendaries. And I'm going to say, I know exactly. I've mentioned it before. I know exactly which one's the worst legendary in the game and which one's the best. I rank them from how I think they're doing, okay? Now, example, Babel, he would be the lowest of the legendaries. He's literally the worst. I'm not even joking. I think Legaluga has a lot more usability than him. I still love Babel, of course. I just think that Legaluga's a lot more usable than he is in terms... She just... more valuable, I feel like. Boom! Okay. Just pop you, and then we win. Guaranteed. Pop. I love Kai's attack. It looks so good. Boom. Ooh, that is just like a stand there and die situation. Oh, why do you keep warping? Stop it. Stop warping. I have a sunburn on my neck. Owie. I do. I see it. Ooh. Making money too. How did I get that? Anyways, basically, my recommendation is that you don't really play this. It's fun, right, to get new units, and I love getting new units. I'm only doing this to test them, okay? I want to rank, okay? But I'm going to still play my regular account. I'm waiting for that, actually. I'm waiting because I'm missing a certain someone, which you probably already know who it is. I'm missing, what is it? Slinger. I'm missing Cat Glen. Oh, I hate that stupid dog. That dog is the most annoying part. That's what happens to Kai every time. Okay, just stop. It's gone. Okay. Basically, I understand that it's like, oh yeah, you're technically cheating, but I'm only doing it to rank. I'll still play my regular. I just need a certain unit. What did you just like raise your hands right now? I don't know why. I saw that. I guess. Oh, right. I knocked it back. But die. Kai is coming in. We will not turn that on right now. That was annoying. Boop. Kai's gonna come and kill you. Kai's gonna come and kill you. Blah, 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 blah. Blah, 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 bye. Wow, that was just easy. Okay, I need to get all, like, treasures before I do Aku rounds real quick. I'm actually be doing this off screen too. But, the reason I'm doing this is to rank units. That is the main thing I want to do. I want to rank units. I'm ranking all sets. I'm not even joking. I'm going to be ranking busters. Why are all my Ubers turned off? Excuse me. Why? Let's just, let's spam something. I think that's going to be special for these stages. So, the major issue is that I might not actually rank all sets immediately. I'll turn them in, though, and I'll definitely be ranking die. Hi. Thank you. I don't even have my wallet up yet. That's because I'm saving my cat tickets right now until I get 10 each time so that I can roll 10 each time. So that's why I only have, like, what, less than I need cat food. I need more cat food. I'm just going to speedrun these stages. That's the only reason I'm actually doing this. But I will be making progress off screen. I just need time to get Cat Gunslinger because my major issue is not having it. I think the main problem with actually hacking is the fact that it just doesn't really make the gameplay fun. And it really doesn't make it any better. Even if it's somewhat fun. I feel like the fun in the game for me, though, isn't really the gacha rolls. Yeah, I know like infinite gacha rolls isn't fun because you know you don't really get the experience of like, oh my gosh, a new Uber and I actually worked hard for it. My main experience of this game is actually playing it. I love playing this game. This game is so interesting to see like every enemy, even if I know they're in there, I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm so scared. What's gonna happen? Mecha. I didn't know Relic Punmon was a lot stronger than Mecha. I never knew that. I thought they were like the same thing basically. But no, they aren't. That is based off of Dragon Ball Z. I love how they have references but never done the collab before. That's so stupid. That is so dumb. I kind of hate that, really. I'm not even joking. That is so dumb. Come on, Ponos. You gotta really make a good game off of this. There we go. We can't. Now we can't use specials. We can only use rares. What rare do I use then? Definitely gonna be using something. If I could, like, upgrade these guys. Oh, you at 65. I need all that. Oh, my God. I hate getting that stuff. I'm not even joking. Roman is a pain to get. Salon could be added. Right. You're still powerful, even in, like, first form. Even in second form, I meant. Second form, she's still really powerful. Dang, she's, like, one of the most powerful units I own, so... Being able to, like, plus her to max would be great. Like, plus 100 would be amazing. I already have, like, 8,000 user rank. I could definitely plus her pretty high. If I get more salons, that'd probably be, like, a quick montage kind of thing. Like, zzz, I mean, I enjoy unboxing. I'll definitely do a few if you want me to. Tell me in the comments. Tell me in the comments, okay? I need to know if you want this stuff or not. Time to spam. Infinite. Just great. I think you just want to. Well, let's just talk about salons today. Yeah, let's go to the salon. Oh wow, that's just death. That's just death because of the DPS. That is just pure death for you. Goodbye. There's no way we're getting an Enigma fruit. That is a really good fruit. That is for aliens itself. Aliens only for Enigma. So there's different fruits, of course. This is a painful stage to do, so a salon will solve all my problems. Of course it will. I have to use CatGod on most of these that just require one certain tier. Especially rares, because I do not have any true forms. Like, I recommend you not rush. You take your time and get cat fruits before you start doing this stuff. The only reason I'm doing this is because this is hacked, and I already have, like, overpowered freaking Ubers in anyway, so I got true forms too early. Like, you call a true form an Empire of Cats. Oh my gosh, that's because of the user rank, though, to be fair. The only reason I had true forms that early is because of user rank. Like, you should definitely take your time. That's how you get through the game faster. Like, just daily, claiming all your rewards, saving all your rare tickets for, like, one specific time, maybe super fast when all units are, like, released at the same time. Then you just use all your tickets. Oh my goodness. Of course we'll use one certain unit, and only that unit. Salon. The power of CatGod. I'm trying to waste the cat food anyway, so why not? Realize it sounds like a bad thing, but I really... Yes, I want the Eva Galleon units, but they won't be coming for a while, so just gotta wait, just gotta wait. Die. Okay, let's just spam all these. Surplus right now. Surplused. Bye. Some of them are closer than others, which is actually a good thing because that means you're pushing him back. You're doing stuff to him in an area effect, which eventually just kills this guy. I know the stacking is amazing. Do we have money? No, we definitely do not. So long wastes like all of it. Can we like... Okay, let's just... Ramen is my favorite cat to use for medals, of course. Because he attacks so often. Goodbye. 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 Oh, that was just one tap and it was gone. Okay, that just makes sense. That definitely makes sense to me. Totally. Totally am not confused about how the hell that happened, but... Oh, we're back to my favorite part. Dominating the game with really good units. Again. I'm gonna wait. Okay, now I can release you. I have to wait. I have to. Bonk! So I can kill that guy. And then I just bring out Yukimura. Yukimura is like my second to best unit. Kai is my third. Kai is like the tank here. She's just gonna take hits, and that's all she's meant for. Even if she's not floating. She's actually okay. I don't recommend using her as a journalist. That is a bad idea. You will be sad. She'll die very quickly. Oh, my. I thought she died. I'd be like, oh, yeah, she'll definitely die very quickly. I think the issue with having Kai is the fact that she might not do a lot, okay? She definitely will not do a lot unless you're able to satisfy her needs. She'll stand there. I'm not even joking. She just stands there and takes it all in. Really good. She's a really, really good tank. She's just not a good generalist tank. That is only for things like Hades. Oh, speaking of, I do not have Hades. I need Hades. I actually do. I think Hades would be one of the best units for me to own because, you know, he's a generalist tank. I think the issue is Hades has, like, no damage, so that when he's taking damage, comparing him to Kai, Kai is better at tanking than him, because at least Kai will take hits and deal damage at the exact same time she's taking hits, which is a lot of it. It's a big difference compared to, like, oh, yeah, let me just use... Ooh, wait, just die. Oh, never mind, you're already dead. I was gonna say just die, but you're already dead. No point. Oh my god, they're so fast that they just clip through things. That's actually a great thing for for things like Dabu. Cheesing the stage is pretty much necessary to win. Not joking. Cheesing stages for Dabu is necessary to win. It's pretty painful, but Dabu is the most painful stage I've played so far. I don't like it because I can't manage the angel waves. The angel waves is the most painful part of it. The angels are so dang destructive. And the second wave of angels is even worse. So when I bring Castley out, I eventually just die. And I've tried to cheese it, but I don't have the items to do so. And the way to cheese it is you have to actually... So you have to time sniper, and you have to get your cannon out. And then you have to, like, sniper timed, bring out Bahamut, sniper exactly times. And then you just cannon it. And then bam, you win the stage, guaranteed. And then you'll completely dominate that stage. Oh my gosh, Blake and Bahamut's just great at doing his own job. Destroying stages. Oh yeah. Wonder what's so scary about this. Oh, it's back to one set of scary. Why? I don't know. It's okay. This is actually probably my favorite one because at least it doesn't actually restrict everything you have to use. Oh... You are actually... I hate that poodle. I hate it so much. It's so deadly. It is so deadly to touch it. It kills you so easily. There's no doubt about that. It definitely kills you. Okay, now I cheese the stage. There's really just an easy cheese on that one. Thanks, bye. Thanks. It looks like thanks, bye. Here, 1, 2. Thanks, bye. I don't even know what that is. Just random words now. Strange. This guy tanks like 200,000 health, I think. Pretty good against aliens, actually. Because all of Elemental Pixies can tank hits and also deal damage. That is actually a really good thing about them. They all target aliens, so they're basically a one-use set. That is basically all they are. A one single-use set. They're all used for this exact same thing. Tanking against aliens and dealing. Like, it's either crowd control or it's like completely just standing there. That's all it is with most of them. Not even joking. I think the noticeable thing is like Lumina, of course, is like the best in there. Lumina's always been the best in there because the fact she can combine dealing pretty good damage with her tanking ability just makes her good. Why didn't you die? Bonk! Okay, never mind. That was definitely a death. Bro, Bora just stands there and... I love Bora a lot more than Aphrodite. Because Aphrodite takes a minute to charge up. I get why people say Bora's better. Yes, he has less range, but when it comes to alien usage, Aphrodite's only good for the backliners. She's also really good for generalists. Bora is really good in general at just getting rid of them. He's like a sweeper. He just sweeps them away from the base and kills them. That's all he's used. I just seen this robot. I know I did. I'm not crazy. I seen this robot. They're replicating these stages. Ponos. But I think the great thing about Boar is the fact he can not only just deal damage in just one blow, he also has like everything to counter aliens. He has every good talent for him going for him. He has the great talents. Let's go. We're back to the oh great. This is the bad stage that I hate. Aguham is the one that I absolutely hate. Yep, it's the stage with the elephant, and there's more robots, and there's medals. Let me go back real quick. Let me get, I do not have any metal critters, do I? Can I just crit special? Only Monako. Can you, like... I'm wondering, because I don't care about that. I would love to greatly destroy this stage. Hold on. Let me just quickly absolutely get everything that I need. Sure, I'll spam her. I'll spam her for the first half, and then I'll bring out other things for the second. I'll bring out Madame Sumo for no reason. This is the stage I hate the most. This is the stage I hate the most, because it's the worst one out of the bunch. Let's just, like, spam everything that we can. I think this is the one with the elephant. No, this can't... Is this the one with the elephant? The star ping and the other stuff that's painful? Because the second and third one are going to be worse, but at least I'll have all treasures. And I'll be doing it individually anyways. Okay, let's just spam you, because at least one of you will do a crit, right? Please say one does a crit. Boring. Okay, there it goes. Goodbye. I just remember this guy not having ridiculous stats. Oh, there she goes. Boring. Okay, there we go. Now we can kill you. Oh no, my stack of Manekos. No, let's just spam more. Yay. Got more. See, there's the horrifying stack of Manekos, only special. Yep, still the special. I mean, you could eventually chip down at Metal Doge, I just don't recommend it. It's a bad idea. There's a lot of bad ideas in this game, and chipping down at just enemies is not a good thing. Chipping down is a good thing, but not for medals. You can't really chip down at medals. You can, but it's not going to work most of the time. It's a really bad idea. You should always just get crits. Always crit. Because critting medals will absolutely kill them. Bye. Okay, goodbye, base. I never liked you anyway. Superior confetti. Abois. I think it's abois. Ooh. Wait, what's this? 1,200 cents or more. Oh, sure! I mean, not bad anymore, is it? Because I can do this. I can do this one. Wait, Kai can take God, can't she? Or does he still do too much damage? I'll see. I'll see if Kai can take God. If Kai can, then that'd be amazing. Oh, look, it's you. Goodbye. Oh, he's floating. He's floating. I remember. Kai. Okay, I tried at massive damage against floating against this guy or whatever. No. A guy just targets floating, right? He does, like, slow. He gets slowed. He's technically floating. He actually is considered floating somehow. I didn't know that. I thought he was just starred alien, right? No, he's floating too. I was like, what? Because my, Sanzo, I was going with Sanzo in one of my loadouts, and I was like, brrr. He was just destroying him. He was absolutely just keep doing everything to him, and I was like, what? I realized, oh, wait. Oh, okay, I guess he's floating. Sanzo was debuffing him. I don't know if it is, I don't remember. Yeah, I think it was Sanzo. So, yeah, it was Sanzo. He just kept debuffing. I was like, what? And I realized, oh, wait, he's floating. I don't think it tells you that, but it's floating, I think. I tried it with Sanzo, and it debuff for some reason. Maybe it was a glitch. Who knows? I'll have to check if it's floating or not. I don't really care if it's floating, but it does kind of pique my interest right now. Because I was remembering, like, oh, wait, this guy is actually floating. So that means Kai can tank him. So that's what Kai did. Kai tanks anything, though, to be honest. As long as there's not too much pressure, Kai can tank it. Kai can tank it if it does not pressure her. As long as she doesn't have pressure, she can tank it. I'm trying to think. So... Oh, right. Not trying to think. I'm trying to remember. So it's back here somewhere, right? It's like back here. Yeah, anyway, I knew it was floating. I knew it. I was like, I'm not crazy. Because I remember I was using her, or I was using Sanzo, and he was just like, and I was using Hanzo too. Hanzo just kept freezing. Hanzo would not stop. I was like, I knew I'm not crazy. I know that thing is like different. Ooh, but I wish this guy had freeze immunity and slow immunity instead of like resist. I mean, resist weaken is pretty bad actually. A lot of people say some resist aren't that bad. They all are. They're all really bad because all they do is like decrease the amount of time it does, and it can still do a really effective amount of damage or whatever. It can still do effective amount of crowd control, enough to get an enemy to kill you. Weaken resist is actually not bad, but I don't say it's good either. It's not necessarily as bad as the others, but it's definitely not as good. The problem with the weaken resist is the fact that you can't really guarantee that it's gonna work all the time. I think that's it, right? Yeah, that is with weaken resist. Weaken resist is just not good. It's just not good. I mean, it decreases the time, sure, but meh. Also, I know I'm using the ones that have true forms because I've talented them maxed, so I wanted to try them out. I've realized that, yeah, they're all max talents, as you can tell. So if they have a true form and they look strange to you, like, oh my gosh, this Kaihime is cheap, or, yeah, I've talented them to max. That's what I've done. I realize the Kafus are ridiculous. All you have to do is search up it, and you can download the file to do it. Ponos might be pissed at this, but I don't really care what Ponos thinks. Listen, Ponos, I've tried to email you multiple times about an account I really wanted, and I've given up on it because you wouldn't respond anymore. You said one more time. I don't care what you think anymore, okay? I don't care. I think the major enjoyment of this game is the rounds. I don't really care if people hack this game. It ain't gonna really make a big difference. Unless they're, like, specifically trying to target other people's accounts, which isn't fair whatsoever, I think it's fine to play this game. I love and enjoy playing this game for one reason, and that is actually... Oh, okay. Oh my gosh, that was a huge wave. Yes, animals, die. Other Kai. Or yeah. Just stand here and do nothing. Exactly what I want. Why does the stage take so long? Ooh, that was a good clear, actually. That was a really, really good clear. Okay. We almost have Bazzy Bostra out. We almost have another Yukimura out. Another Yukimura. I just realized I have 2 Sengoku War Gods out. Okay. Yeah, that's literally what I just realized. Okay, Crimson Star. Next stage is Crimson Star. Good to know. Oh, great. Yeah, okay, that rings the bell now. Crimson Star, red enemies. Okay, yeah, it's probably Boar. It's always Boar in one stage, I'm gonna be completely honest. Ooh, okay. Okay, just pop you with Bora. Bora should pop you immediately. I'm gonna be honest. Bora will pop anybody who touches him. Let's see. Let's see what you do. Oh, don't knock him back. And he pops! No, that didn't do anything. Hold on, Bora. Oh, goodbye. Boop! Bye-bye. Bora missed, I think. I think Mercia's talents, I stopped using her. But Mercia's talents are okay. I think Surge Immunity is great. But she has, like, no range. So there's no point of that. I think the only point of having Surge Immunity is with units with actual range. They're the only ones who really, really, really need it. Or with really bad health. She does not have bad health. But I do see why people would probably use it. Ooh, why? I swear, I literally need one thing. And I'm always missing it. I need to get rid of Salon, and I need to add Jurassic back, because that's the only thing reliable on killing these stupid stages, okay? In 7-7 Nebula. I got, like, almost all treasures, basically, so being able to get the next extra XP is not really that useful, but sure. Sure, I'll take it any day. Stop! Crit! Bro, crits! Oh, right, I forgot. He does not have, like, the 12% crit, because I do not have him max talented. I don't even have him in true form, so his crits are kind of useless right now. Come on, crit! Crit! Crits! At least crit, bro. Do a crit. Please do one. I hate the crits. They're the worst part of the stage. Relying on the RNG for it sucks. Okay, finally! Crit, yes, okay. Because I had to get true forms before I did this. Come on, crit! Crit, you have, oh my gosh, I thought she disappeared from the face of the earth. I was so scared for Kai. Oh. Come on, plot. Bonk! Okay, he's gone. We don't have to even worry about him. Okay, there we go. There are the crits that we needed. We got him. Kai was like standing there. She wasn't even doing it. It's hilarious how good Kai can be. Oh my gosh. I wish she had HP buff. It would actually make her health a lot more effective. Kai could definitely be a good generalist tank if it wasn't for the fact that she had like I would say even if she had like a strong against instead, but she had like 500,000 health. Kai would be good for a generalist tank. She would be really good. She has the DPS for it. She's a really good unit. She's better than her whole set, even if, like, Lily, the only reason you'd ever use Lilin isn't even for anything. It's just for her major, her shield piercing. She is a ranged shield piercer, which, oh, wait. I have Is. Forgot about that. That's another shield piercer I have, other than Lilin and Kai, of course. That's actually cool, because that means I can use, oh! Hello. Oh, wait, I just realized I need to pop these. Pop them. Come on, pop them. Pop them. Pop them. Come on. Just pop them. They are, like, standing there. I'm so glad Kai's immune to knockback. I hate when units get knocked back specifically, and it starts to push them. Kai just stand. Oh, my God. I love her so much. She takes all the hits in. That's all she does to me. She takes the hits in. There's already another one out, so even if the other one died, it wouldn't be a big deal, because there was already another one out to save, so I love Kai. I really do. I think she's valuable, and I think I need her now. I actually do need Kai for Gigando. That's like one of the only units who could actually destroy Gigando, in my opinion. Take it with granted. My opinion. You're not going to change it in any situation. Oh, I love the music of this. Let's just listen to it. Never mind. I don't love the music of this. It's not this one. I don't think so. I remember this one having really good music. It had the I hit the bass probably. Let's see. See if it changes when I hit the bass. Oh, that warp is long. It's a really long warp. Ooh, that's a good strengthen. Ooh, that's a good strengthen. Kai. Oh. Wait, let me hear. Okay, I'm just gonna play this for a bit. There we go. We got every treasure, I believe. Up to the Big Bang. Well, I'm trying to remember. We don't care about that noise. I think swarms. Swarms come. That's what happens. So for this one, it is swarming. Oh, we need an alien tank. Alien tank. I'm trying to think here. Alien and like resistance or something. I know there's one certain unit I could use, but I don't want to use him. Do not want to use him. He sucks. He's just not good for tanking. I'm talking about, what was it, Gravolo? Gravolo's a meh tank, I feel like. Oh my god, I have twin stars, right? Constant attacks would be great. You know what? You're good. You do have massive damage and resistance, so you're gonna just saw at aliens forever. Probably. I don't really like the music here. It's not as interesting as like that other music. I really like that one. You could tell because it was like, oh, you know what, screw this. I'm turning off my mic and I'm literally turning up that music. I really, really like it. I think it's really good music. Kind of adds the feel to Into the Future, in my opinion. Ooh, that's a good hit. Oh, that was a really, really good hit too. It's a good. I just love when he hits. It definitely is a lot of damage that he does. Bonk. This is the time to completely stop God from doing anything. Oh, Kai's gonna die. Oh, wait, Kai's still there. Bonk! Boop! Brrr. Boom! Oh, she definitely has a million HP against... Oh, he's gone. Who cares? What God? There's no God here. There's only me. Kai is so funny to use. Wow. She just keeps getting warped. That's all she... Wow. Kai's. We got 2 now. My favorite part. I don't mind. One. Oh, I thought Boob Girl died. Yeah, I call her Boob Girl sometimes. I mean, I'm not wrong. Every girl has boobs, to be fair. It doesn't matter if they're smaller, but you still have them. Boop! 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 Aye, you stupid thing. Glad you do not warp. We win! Yay! Yay! I get to stop the recording. Oh my gosh, the elephant's here. That's the worst part of this! They're already annoying enough. Die. Just freaking die! Go away. Stupid elephant. Hate him so much. I hate him so much. I really do. I really hate the swarming at the end. It's annoying when you hit the base and then everything starts swarming you and you're like, no, stop it. But it still does it anyway. Stop it. Said no. I realize there's going to be like a stupid scene after this or whatever. Or yeah, that thing where it talks about it. Cool. Oh, I got the energy cap. So I will end it here. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. This is going to be part 1 of the Hacked Battle Cats account. Whoa. I need to get through this quick. And I actually really want to see the interesting things. Thanks for watching. And as always,